Today we studied forest so green, a leafy world that's rarely seen. Tall trees grow and animals play. Let's explore the forest today. Forest animals high and low, in the woods where tall trees grow. Creeping, crawling, swinging free. Come and meet them all with me. Come and meet them all with me. Owl flies quietly through the night, big round eyes and silent flight. Perched on branches, wise and still, watching from the forest hill. Deer tiptoes through fallen leaves, hiding gently under trees. Brown and graceful, fast and shy, watch her leap as we walk by. Monkey swings from tree to tree, laughing loud and wild with glee. Jumping, climbing, having fun, forest playtime in the sun. Forest animals high and low, in the woods where tall trees grow. Creeping, crawling, swinging free. Come and meet them all with me. Come and meet them all with me. Snakes slither softly on the ground, hissing low without a sound. Coiled up near a fallen log, peeking through the morning fog. Woodpecker taps on a tree so tall, making music, tap and call. Drumming loud from dawn to noon, like a forest marching tune. Bear comes out when spring is near, growls and grunts but shows no fear. Loves to nap and eat some honey, fuzzy, round and kinda funny. Forest animals high and low, in the woods where tall trees grow. Creeping, crawling, swinging free. Thanks for learning here with me. Thanks for learning here with me. That's our trip to the forest land, with trees so tall and animals grand. See you tomorrow in a brand new place, with a smile on your learning face.